Hi, I am Sri Aditya. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to do basic maths arithmetic operations using Python. For this you don't need any Python to be installed on your computer. Instead we can use online website called Replit. Python is a most powerful and popular coding language available today, with which you can even control space shuttle from base. Now let's start on how to do addition of two numbers. I will use the input function to accept the value of number 1 and store it in the variable num1. Similarly, we will accept the value of number 2 and store it in the variable num2. Now let's print the addition of two numbers using print function and the plus operation. Please notice we have used the int function before num1 and num2, which Python understands that the variable is a type of integer or numerical only. To execute this code, we copy-paste that in the Replit website which is free. We can use. I have provided in the link in the same description. Now please click on run. You can see the code is running. Please input values for number 1 and enter. Similarly, enter the values for number 2 and enter. Now you should see the output of the two numbers. Hooray! We have completed successfully our first Python program. Now let's go for the next arithmetic operation, which is subtraction. Now let's print the subtraction of two numbers using print function and minus operation. Now let's run it and see the results. Now let's go for the next arithmetic operation, which is multiplication. Let's run it and see the results. Now let's go for the next arithmetic operation, which is division. Let's print the division of two numbers using print function and slash or division operation. Now let's run it and see the results. With this we have covered the basic math operations, and in the next video we will try to do more simple Python codes. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. This gives me more motivation to present more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.